Hey JD Music, good day, I am Dirk, and this is my Traktor Kontrol S2. Papadala ko ito sa inyo for repairs kasi may mga issues nga na may mga problema nga yung controller. First off is the crossfaders. As you can see here, nasa gitna na siya. But in the software, it's oriented on the right side. Okay, so it's not responsive anymore. You can see, put it all the way to the left. Pero dun sa software, hindi pa rin gumagalaw. So sira na yung crossfaders ko dito. Another issue are the line faders or the volume faders. As you can see, napaka fidgety. When you konting ano lang, nagmo-move siya. So ayan, yung sa deck B I already put it all the way down, but in the software, so nasa gitna pa siya. The same happens with deck A. Okay, so may problema dito. Another problem is the crossfader here. The tempo fader here. Pag all the way up, okay lang siya. But when I put it all the way down, so yung sa software, hanggang dyan lang siya. But dito sa controller, it's already all the way down. Okay? So kailangan mo pang i-nudge konti, ganyan, bago magre-respond yung doon sa software. The same problem here on deck B. So napaka-problematic din dito. As you can see, it's already in the center here, but sa software hindi siya nagsa-center. Okay, so if I put it in the center sa software dyan, so dito hindi. At saka parang may ground yata dito sa deck B. Kasi when I put my fingers here, okay, when I touch this, so makikita ninyo dyan, okay, so yung BPM ng deck gumagalaw. Okay, but if I remove my hand, ayan, hindi na siya gumagalaw. So dito definitely may issues dito. Isa pa ring concern dito yung mic engage, hindi nagpo-function. Dapat sana nagla-light up na yung icon dito, yung ilaw dito sa mic. Hindi siya nagla-light up. Wala akong mic ngayon, so hindi ko mapakita, pero hindi talaga siya nagre-respond. Another issue dito yung Q mix at saka yung Q volume. As you can see, wala, ginagalaw ko dito, hindi ko talaga napokontrol dito yung Q mix at saka yung volume. Okay, so ito may problema din dito. Last but definitely not the least is yung flutter ng yung jug wheels ng deck A. Paparinig ko lang sa inyo. So nakita nyo na. Okay, dito, so may ano pa rin, may sound. Ayan. Okay, so paparinig ko lang yung scratch sound dito. As you can see, nilagyan ko ng marker yung flutter o yung jug wheel ng deck A para may guide. Kasi pag ito nasa 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock position, basically dito, you will hear a sort of a gator sound. Okay, demonstrate ko lang. You can hear that, di ba? Okay, so ang pangit pakinggan. But if it's all the way there, wala namang issue. Yung issue lang pag yung marker dito nasa 8 o'clock position, parang may nag-gator yung sound, and you can see naman all of my effects are off, so it's definitely not in the settings, so probably may problema rin dito. So basically yun lang po. I hope you guys can fix this as soon as possible. I'm sending it tomorrow for repairs, and God bless.